Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. So today's video is going to be short and sweet, and I'm going to just basically show you guys how I wrap my hair. So if you were, I know a lot of us was not natural all of our lives. So in our perm days, relaxer days, text-like days, whatever days that caused our hair to be straight most of the time, we've always had to straighten, or not straighten, always had to wrap our hair. And I've learned since I can't even remember how to wrap my hair. Now, it can go different ways as to how to wrap your hair. You can either go towards the left or you can go towards the right. Clockwise, counterclockwise, however, which way your parting is. In this case, I did myself a deep side part. It was in the middle, but I still wrapped the same way, which is to the left. And yeah, so my hair's been straight for about a week and it's still pretty much straight, but this is how I keep my hair straight throughout these cold these cold winter months. And as you can see, it's still pretty straight. It still has some of the movement. I just came from Chicago literally some hours ago, and it's snowing and everything. Some snow got in my hair, so I was afraid it was gonna start to poof up, but it still stayed pretty straight. So good. So I can now bring you guys this hair wrapping video. So it's a few things that you guys will actually need to wrap your hair. You would need a Boar bristle brush. It doesn't have to be hard. This is like a medium type of feel, so it doesn't have to be hard. It can also be a soft brush just to tame the flyaways as you're wrapping. You're definitely going to need a comb to wrap your hair. You're also going to need hair clips. I have, of course, more than one, but this is I can only find one, so I'm hoping that this will work for my head. And you're also going to need some type of oil to put in your hair. Now, I use this oil not all the time. Like when I freshly straighten my hair, I don't use the oil right off because I already have oil in my hair, and then I would just wrap it and it will be good. But as the days go by, maybe like day 3 or 4, then I would, use this oil just to help me wrap my hair. And then of course you would need yourself a head wrap, a scarf, a do-rag, or whatever you may have. Make sure it's silk or satin to lay your hair down. And yeah, and I think that's all we will need. Now let's get this process started. Now what I typically do is I just make sure my hair is detangled. So I comb all of my hair. Comb. Let me see if we can get you guys a little bit better angle. I just don't want. Now since I'm wrapping to the left, which is this way, I'm going to be taking, this is already going this way. So if this was the middle part, this hair would still be coming over as a comb over like Donald Trump does. So
are you done?
Yeah. So I'm pretty much just gonna take the rest of this hair on this side and comb it over. And then I'm gonna start combing the back. Start combing the back into a circular motion, all towards the same direction. Now this part, I use my hand to guide my hair forward. And I just make sure that it's all on one side. This is where I'm going to start using my brush just to help pick up any hairs I didn't get as I was wrapping around. So pretty much you're just wrapping your hair around your hair. If I let this go, it's definitely going to fall. So this is where my hair clip comes in at. Sometimes I end up putting it in the front, on the side, or in the back. In this case, I'm putting it in the back so it won't fall, just to hold it in place. And I'm gonna take this oil. You always want to use some type of weightless oil. Make sure it says it on the oil, either lightweight or weightless. This is Argan oil of Morocco. It's a healing dry oil and it says weightless on it. So yeah, just make sure whenever you have your hair straight that you get something that's weightless. It's not gonna weigh your hair down. That way it'll maintain the style that your straight style that you have. So what I pretty much do is I take this and I pump like 2 to 3 pumps in my hand. And then I rub and I rub around. And then I'm just gonna take my brush to smooth. Now, a lot of people do their wraps different ways. Some people comb it all the way to the front, like their top portion, they'll comb it all the way to the front and then start to wrap around. I can't do that because usually it ends up bulking up in the middle right here. And so it ends up always leaving this hump situation whenever I take my hair down. And I keep having to redo it every single time just to get it right. So this is the easiest way for me to do my wraps, like especially if I already have a deep side part and my hair is already going like this direction, then I would just take the rest of the hair and just start going this way. I have done it to the right before. You do want to switch up your parts so that way your hair won't get stuck in the same direction and it'll be easier on your edges when you are wrapping. But yeah, this is how it looks. And you can definitely see the shine. So yeah, you have your own self-made turban. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my do-rag, and the reason why I got purple is because I had a black one last time, and of course my husband ended up taking it to lay his waves down. So it had all kinds of grease and oil in it and I couldn't use it, and he just pretty much took it away from me. So I thought if maybe I get like a feminine color, then he won't, you know, wear my scarf. So that's why I got the purple scarf. Now every time I put this scarf on, my husband ended up saying I look like David Ruffin from The Temptations.
Well, let me tell you this, Linda.
I don't know why, but yeah. But anyway, so this is what I do. I pretty much tie this down, and no, I do not leave my hair clip. What I do is I just make sure that this is secure in place, so that way I can pull the hair clip out without pulling my hair out of place. So what I do is I search for the clip. It's there. And I open it. I open it while I'm putting it down, pulling it down so that way it won't pull any hairs out with it. And then I just continue to wrap this around my head. And I just tie it. And this is how I go to bed. This is how I go to bed when my hair is straight. It's always wrapped. The only way it's not wrapped is when I want to wear my hair wavy. I will wear it in like a bun to bed instead of wrapping my hair. I hope this mini tutorial has helped you guys learn how to wrap your hair. If you haven't, you're trying to figure out how you can maintain your straight styles, then definitely wrapping will keep it in place. It will keep it straight for however long. Now, yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll know when I post my latest videos. And check out the wrap. I'm about to get in the shower and relax because it's Veterans Day and I didn't have to go to work, but I'm tired because I've been kicking it with my family. Anyway, so I will just check you guys later. Bye.